Hello friends, we're doing a get ready with me, another one. My hair is wet, so if you see those spots, it's from my hair. Also, it's different formats. I need to remember to not look at myself and look at you. Hands are dry, Lord Jesus. How are you? It's another day, another get ready with me, I'm gonna try and make it quick. Today, I'm gonna be using Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm face products as my base. And then I brought out my Gucci bronzer, this very, very old MAC blush. I think it'll still work, hold on. And we're on the Pat McGrath train still, and this is Mothership 11. I'm excited. I actually really like this one. I know people did not like it, but I liked it. Again, I look different than I do in the mirror. Danessa Myricks products. Gosh, I've already forgotten where the camera is. Danessa Myricks products. Let us do a moisturized. I have a different color. So I have the universal, which is just, basically like a clear. I have 4, 5, and 7. And I think those are the ones I'm going to be using. So let's start with 4 for my concealer things. I'm going to use a brush. Let's see if it works. I think you kind of want your skin to be juicy, perhaps, and I don't know that it is as juicy as it needs to be. Those are like bright spots, yeah. Right. And then I just put like here and here. Okay, I need to use my hands. Normally I use my fingers. I don't know why I'm like trying to like mix things up. I like that your fingers kind of like warm up the product. Oh, did I ask how your day was going so far? Again, I'm off to a late start. I've been up for a long time. I just didn't do any makeup. Let's do the 5. It looks like this, and I'm going to use the foundation brush. This is my first, like the universal one I've already replaced. I think that's my second universal one that I have, but these ones I'm still on my first one. So I do kind of like it. I prefer it more in the summer, so I'm interested to see how this is gonna work now, like in the fall, where like technically like my skin is kind of drier, it's not as hot outside, it's not as humid. And then I'm gonna take the 7, and that's gonna be like my bronzer contour type of endeavor. Let me just find a thick-ish brush. You're here, not there. So taking that. Just a little. That little was too little. Okay, I'm just gonna dot it around because I feel like I'm gonna be going over it with a bigger brush. Not I feel. I will be. Did I tell you the lip product I use? So I'm using the Duck Plump NYX. Is this NYX? Why do I not know? Yeah, NYX. NYX Duck Plump Extreme Sensation. It's not that extreme. I feel like, was this the one that I tried? I think the problem was that time was I had combined both of them. Like I think the Sephora one is more extreme for sure. Anyway, I just like that one more. All right, just blending this in. Blending this in. I'm gonna start studying. And I'm not trying to show up to my first day of work like really not knowing anything, so I should like crack open a book. Just a book. Any book will do. Do I want to powder my face? Honestly, no. So I don't think I'm going to, because it's supposed to be a balm powder situation. Yeah. But let's take the Gucci bronzer, because I brought it out, so we're going to use it. And it comes with a brush, but I'm going to use this brush. Sonia G Jumbo Bronzer. I made a mess. And then I should like pack my hair up or something. Cause what is this? What is, I was driving myself crazy. All right. Bronzer, bronzing it up. I do like this bronzer. I need to, you know what I need to wash is this brush that's in it, because I do really like it, but I've used it so much and I don't think I've ever washed it. That's bad. Don't be like me. Let me get the rest of the product in here. I'm gonna waste. What? All right, bronzer done. We're still not sure about what I look like between here and here, but that's okay. I did that. Oh, and then we're seeing how the MAC blush is going. What is this called? Ambering Rose Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush. What's the oldest makeup product that you have in your collection? I feel like my MAC products are probably like the oldest ones that I own. This one would have to be one of them, and it has to be more than 10 years old. I'm telling anybody who said that. But it's definitely older than 10 years. But look at that. Why did we move away from MAC? What was the reason? Because look at that. I don't know if you can see it as well as I'm seeing it, but that is just a nice flush of color. I like that. All right, am I giving beard? Yes, but I also think that it's the contrast between like a brighter color, like orangey reddish color up here, and like that really brings out the brown and dark under. You know what I mean? Sometimes it just makes me want to like put some blush there. You know, like we're kind of figuring out color theory as we go. Because I've decided that I'm doing little to zero research on it. We're just gonna see what works. See, I feel like that helped. Am I making this up? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? But in an effort to not, you know, do more work than absolutely necessary, I feel like that worked. All right, this is a really simple makeup day. My Benefit Brow. We don't know what it's called. Don't know the color. Just the one that looks more like your brow color is probably the one that you should go for. Unless you're looking for a different color, then you go with that color. Makeup is easy. Move that over there. And I need to double prime. Double prime here. I think I can do this in under 20 minutes, you guys. Let's see. NYX Ultimate Primer. Every time, lay it down first. If you have time, you can set it just a little bit. That time, that time. I set it with literally any powder. Any powder would do. I use my back to wipe this off. That's not good. I have this Sephora powder. People were raving about it, and then it was being discontinued, so I had to partake. And it's a little darker for me because this is in 40 tan. I think this is definitely a summer powder for me, so I didn't get much use out of it, but use it now. MAC paint pot, soft ochre. I have like three paint pots, and really I just go with whichever one I reach for first. But then there's also you want to think about like the base, whether or not you want like a neutral, cool, or warm base. So the soft ochre gives me more of a warm base because it has that yellow undertone. And then I have Painterly if I want to use like a cool base, if I want to get like a cool base. The fun stuff, because we are playing with Mothership. I love it. Where's our Mothership 12? It's okay, it's fine. I don't have money for you right now, so take your time. I was gonna pick out a clean brush, but you're sitting on it. I think this is, if you like pinks and you like neutrals and you're like a warm tone person, you cannot go wrong with any shade in here. Like literally just pick at random and be on your way. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. You see that? Okay. And we are just the ease with which these go on. You know what, let me not use a rougher brush because like tools do matter, but I really do think that you can't go wrong with any tool when you're using Pat McGrath. So this is let me make sure it's either Sephora or it's one of those pro something. I'm trying to look for like a generic one. Okay, this is a Sephora one. So this is a random one I got from Amazon. I'm gonna take that same color. I'm gonna put it on this side. Okay. You see the difference? Like, it went on, but not as easily as the other side, but still easy because it's a Pat McGrath shadow. I don't know if I just like did a promo for the rougher brush or the eyeshadow. I think I just did a promo for the rougher brush. So they're having a sale, I think. Rougher. I'm trying not to look at sales and things, especially not for brushes, because I have a lot of brushes. I have enough brushes, and while I would love to collect them, Fude, you'll spend some money. You think this eyeshadow is expensive. All right, enough with that brush. I'm going back in with my rougher. It does make a difference, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it's a combination of the eyeshadow and the tools, because this is just giving luxury. This experience, this combo, luxury. The other one was like, it was fine, but this is better. That first brush was the Rougher 16. This is the Singe Beauty EO5. And I'm gonna go in with because we're doing different colors, it's this lighter one. What did I use before? Was that one? So this one right here. It's going under. Under the eye. Oh, I didn't bring out any highlighter. That's fine. The Shimmering Rose. Nope, that's not what it's called. Ambering Rose will take care of highlighter and blush. That one. Just gonna use my finger. Ease. So simple. And then let's use one of my favorite brushes, the EO1. I think I remember these names, and I'm just gonna go in with this light one, light shimmer. It's gonna be my inner corner. Sometimes it's a light matte in my inner corner, and sometimes it's a light shimmer in my inner corner. Either way, it's light. And I'm gonna open up the eye. Yep. All right, should we do like a special shade? Why not? Just a little bit of this dark one. Just tapping, and this is probably gonna cause fallout. Oh, is there fallout already? There was fallout already. Oops. Hold on. I don't like that. It's okay. I can admit when I don't like something. Huh. I don't remember it doing this, but I don't know what's going on. Okay, well, just disregard that color. When it melts in, it looks better, but who has time for all of that? This is just Laura Mercier translucent powder. I just want to like dust off. I know I said I wasn't going to use any powder. I'm not. This is strictly for dusting off shimmer. Okay. It's gone. Now, what am I doing? Eyeliner, and then I think we're good. Eyeliner and then mascara. I'm gonna use the brown one. It's the NYX Epic Ink Liner in dark chocolate. I don't know why that was stagnated, but prepare for my eyeliner not to match. It's okay, I've accepted this in life. I can tell from the way I drew that it's not gonna match. We're trying to keep this under 20, well, we're at 20 minutes now. We're over 20 minutes. Trying to keep this under 30 minutes. I feel like I don't see people like do their eyeliner when their eyelashes look like mine. So if you have eyelashes that look like mine, this is what I have to do. I have to, hopefully you can see, I have to go in between my lashes and my eyelid, because they're, see that? Like it curls in. So I have to go in between and then do like, yeah, like you can't just do one long swipe. That'd be too easy. Too easy. All right, and then pray that I don't blink when I do that. And also pray that I don't make the line too thick. That would then require me to fill it in like that. Like that. See, I made it too thick. Such is life. Move my eye. I was trying to make it longer like that, and I made it up. That's okay though, because we wear glasses. We're just gonna put on our glasses and nobody. All right, that's it. I should spray my face, but again, I don't want to, so we're not going to. Do I have any lip products in front of me? When I remember to bring out another lip product, I will do a lip in front of you, but as of now, there will be no lips. There will be no lip product display. Scent of the day. I am wearing these two. José Accident à la Vanille with Kayali Vanilla Candy. I feel like anytime there's a gourmand, I am automatically wanting to add a vanilla to it. And it just brings it out. It just gives me more. Gives me more food. Gives me more gourmand. And I'm here for it. So that's the scent of the day. And that was my Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back with more. I'll be back with more.